The story you're telling yourself about money might be stopping you from making more. Our words have so much power, and our words are a reflection into our thoughts, and our thoughts are ultimately responsible for our results. And so your thoughts and your words around money are an indication to your beliefs about money and ultimately are responsible for creating your results. So think about times where you may have said or thought, money doesn't grow on trees. Money is the root of all evil. You can't be a nice person and be wealthy. You have to choose money or relationships. All of these thoughts and beliefs and phrases around money are ultimately responsible for your results. I grew up in a household where it was work longer, harder, faster, right? It was this push energy. You've got to work hard to make more. And you grew up with some beliefs and some thoughts about money too. So how do we switch that within ourselves so we can have and live a more abundant life? Today, I'm giving you some tips and tricks and tools and thoughts to start thinking so you can live more abundantly. The first one is money comes easily to me. Money flows easily to me. If you have a work harder, longer, push energy in order to attract money, just start to claim money flows easily to me. Money comes to me from multiple sources. It's so easy to think the only way for me to earn money is through my job or through my business. There's an infinite supply of money. It can come to you all sorts of different channels, but we have to be open to receive it. Money flows to me easily. Money flows to me through multiple channels. If you have a belief around money is evil or you can't be a good person and have money, know that the more money you earn, the more money you make, the more good you can do on the planet. The better you can give your gifts, the bigger difference you can make to the charities, the causes that are important to you. And so again, claiming that more money is actually a good thing and will do good on the planet. Notice when you're saying things like this costs too much or I don't have the money. And to instead of looking at spending, think about as investing. Where are you investing your money? Are you investing in a good book? Are you investing in a course? And when we think about it being an investment, investments demand a return on investment. And we want to demand a return on the money that we're putting into circulation. When you're looking at how much something costs, I can't afford that. Instead, use phrases like, I'm choosing not to spend my money there right now. Knowing that if it's something you really wanted, there would absolutely be a way for you to make that happen. But make it more empowering. I'm choosing to invest my money in other places right now. I'm choosing not to buy that. I'm choosing not to go there. And by giving yourself the choice, it's much more empowering and you won't feel like you're a victim to your money conditions and money circumstances. Money flows to me easily. Money flows to me from multiple sources. I invest my money in things that are important to me. I'm choosing to invest my money in different places. These are all much more empowering money stories that will ultimately create an abundance mindset and will create a different result in your bank account. To support you in attracting money from multiple sources, we've created a free gift for you to start tracking the abundance that's flowing to you. As you're paying attention to the many ways that money can flow to you, you will start to attract money from multiple sources. So download that free abundance tracker to shift your money mindset so you can live a more free life. Here is to you living a life you love.